Rosemary water is a fantastic natural remedy for improving hair growth, reducing dandruff, and to promote scalp's health. The nutrients and antioxidants in rosemary water nourish the hair follicles, making them stronger and less prone to breakage. Rosemary water has antimicrobial properties that maintain a healthy scalp by combating dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp conditions. Some studies suggest that rosemary water may help to slow down the graying of hair by stimulating the melanin production. Let's see how to prepare rosemary water. All you need is a cup of water and rosemary leaves. Add 1 cup of water. Add 4 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. This rosemary leaves I got it from Amazon. It is 100% pure and natural. Bring the water to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let the rosemary simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once cooled, strain out the rosemary leaves and transfer the infused water into a spray bottle. Section your hair and spray the rosemary water onto your scalp. Cover every part of your scalp with the rosemary water. Use it in the morning and at night. Both men and women can use this. To double up the game, I added some rosemary essential oil. 4 drops of it into the spray bottle. Give it a good shake. This will fasten the hair growth process. If your schedule is hectic and making rosemary water at home isn't possible, then don't worry. Then consider purchasing a rosemary serum as an alternative. This serum is made with advanced formula infused with ingredients like rosemary, Redensyl, and anagane. These ingredients restore hair density, prolong hair cycle, give hair growth, and boost melanin production. This is Soulflower Rosemary Serum. Spray the serum directly on a clean scalp and massage gently. There is no need to shampoo your hair after this. Leave it on and style as per your wish. If you are dealing with hair thinning and hair fall issues, then you can try the rosemary waters. Either you can try the DIY homemade rosemary water or you can purchase a rosemary serum. I will leave the product links in the description box. Do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Like this video and subscribe for more Beauty Made Easy awesomeness. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.